Guys, there's a new update in Animal Company. That's new. This is new. And that's new, and this is new. They have like a real microphone. Now the day farts.
Can I come? Can I come?
Where are you?
Yeah. Get a
gun.
We're tiptoeing through the...
I'll come back.
Alright.
Okay.
Now, we run!
Okay.
Guys, I'm heading back. Yo, guys, I'm coming back, bro. No matter what, bro, I'm not giving up.
Yo. Gibby.
In level 1.
Yo, that's crazy. Is this a new item?
Anyone, does anyone
Yeah,
want
because
help?
I went to the loading screen and it said secret item, so that's why I went in.
To a new, old map. Goodbye! Everybody!
That's crazy.
Everybody! Y'all left me. I was your teammate, and y'all left me. Why? Somebody needed help on the other side. Wow! Y'all just left me.
What the?
My guys, come to California. Major prizes on Talent. Come to California if you want to play.
You know what you can get free for that, right? That's free thing.
I think you used to.
Major prizes. Just come to couch if you want to proceed.
Yo!
We need 2 more people to join Bros Got Talent. If I do this alone,
Once you get the
I'm
new
gonna...
robot. Oh wait, do you want one? Do you want one?
I already have a new robot. Guys, giveaway.
Hi, robot.
Robot.
We need 1 more person.
Yo, what the f?
Just come
Put
to
anybody to self-destruct.
What's colored?
The
Robot giveaway.
I'm a robot.
If you want...
Alright guys, we're gonna get more robots down.
If you want to do a run of the new map.
Not gay.
Can you please
Join
give
the
me one?
code
Please, can you give me a robot?
Listen up! The whole lobby!
How do you
Whole
get the
lobby!
new robot?
Whole lobby! Everyone, listen up! Everyone, listen up! If you have a robot, we'll come to robot, and we're gonna make a robot army!
I don't. How do you unlock them? Tell me how you unlock them.
You get it from the loading screen. You get it from